Holding a massive pile of digital assets is a lot like carrying a target on your back. The more you have, the more you have to lose. This is not about a casual hobby. This is about real, high-stakes protection. BitGo has been the silent guardian of this space since 2013. They are the ones people call when they move past the beginner phase. They do not bother with the fluffy stuff. They focus on institutional-grade security. This platform is built for the heavy hitters. We are talking about businesses, hedge funds, and massive exchanges. If you are just holding a small amount of Bitcoin, this will feel like overkill. It is like driving a heavy-duty tank to buy a loaf of bread. But for a corporation, it is a necessity. The core of their system relies on multi-signature setups. They call it 2 of 3. This means you have 3 keys. You need 2 of them to move any money. If one key is stolen, the thief is still stuck. They cannot do anything with just one piece of the puzzle. This creates a massive safety net. They also use multi-party computation. This splits the key into separate parts that never meet in one place. It is a technical masterpiece for keeping hackers at bay. BitGo supports over 1,700 different assets. They work across more than 40 separate blockchains. The flexibility is impressive. But the complexity is the trade-off. You have to deal with whitelists for every single address. You have to set up strict withdrawal rules. You might even need several different people to sign off on a single move. This is perfect for a company treasury. It prevents one person from running off with the funds. It creates a paper trail and a chain of command. For a regular person, a simple hardware wallet is much more practical. It is faster. It is easier to carry. BitGo is a professional custody service. They keep keys in deep cold storage. This means they are never connected to the internet. They add layers of insurance and regular audits. It is a fortress for digital wealth. If you are managing millions, you do not want an easy app. You want a boring, secure process. You want to know that your assets are protected by the same standards as a traditional bank. BitGo provides that peace of mind. They were among the first to realize that crypto needed a suit and tie. They helped bridge the gap between hobbyists and the institutional financial world. It is not a flashy tool for day trading. It is a serious vault for long-term preservation. You should only look into this if you are scaling up. If you are building a crypto business, it is a top-tier choice. If you are a solo investor with a modest bag, keep your life simple. Use a hardware device and keep your seed phrase safe. BitGo is for the giants. It is for those who cannot afford to lose even a fraction of a percent. The security is unmatched. The reputation is solid. It is the gold standard for a reason. But remember that with great security comes great responsibility. You have to manage the keys. You have to follow the protocols. It is a full-time job to keep that much value safe. BitGo makes that job possible for the biggest names in the industry. They have survived every market crash. They have outlasted countless competitors. That track record speaks for itself. It is the grown-up version of crypto storage. It is built for a world where mistakes are not an option. Keep it on your radar as you grow. Just be ready for the learning curve.